Want to boost your productivity with AI tools? The new AI Essentials course from Google is here to help. In this beginner-friendly 4-hour course, you'll learn directly from Google experts how AI can speed up your tasks, spark new ideas, and help you work smarter. You'll discover how to use generative AI tools to create content, make better decisions, and get things done faster. Plus, you'll dive into how to use AI responsibly by understanding its biases and avoiding harm. This course is just one part of a 5-course series, and you'll also learn how to stay up to date in the fast-evolving world of AI and write specific prompts to get the results you want, like summarizing, creating taglines, and much more. You can find the link above to get started. And if you're looking to level up your career, here are some of the other courses Google offers. For starting a new career, data analytics, project management, IT support, digital marketing and e-commerce, UX design, cybersecurity. For advancing your career, IT automation with Python, advanced data analytics. For building skills, people management essentials, prompting essentials, stakeholder management, digital customer engagement, agile essentials, network security, data-driven decision-making, data analysis with Python. All right, that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you found these Google Career Certificates and AI Essentials courses helpful, whether you're starting your career or looking to level up your skills. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to dive into these amazing courses. If you liked the video, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more tips on boosting your career and skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.